Tastes better, the waffles or a Parrot? People would probably be saying the waffles taste better. Parrot isn't good. I wasn't blown away by this video, but this Parrot is much better than those sea otters because you can actually do something. You can play dead, roll over, play basketball, and he can even play golf. And his owner probably took a lot of hard work and time to actually train this Parrot to do that. The only thing I don't like about this is video is posted by Funny Animals. That once your video gets posted, anyone else can take it away and repost it themselves. And Token Black Chick, who did feature this video,
maybe she didn't realize, but a person with the username Amazing Bird posted this video first on YouTube. And you're probably so amazed at what the Parrot can do, you don't care whose Parrot that was or who originally posted the video.